Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the McKillans Pressure Washer Quick Connect Kit, hailed as one of the best pressure wash hose attachments on the market. If you're serious about maintaining your outdoor spaces or tackling tough cleaning jobs, having the right tools can make all the difference. The McKillans Quick Connect Kit is designed to streamline your pressure washing experience with its robust stainless steel construction and smart design.
First off, let's talk about durability. Each piece in this kit is crafted from 304 medical-grade stainless steel.
That means no rust, no tarnishing, just reliable performance over the long haul.
Whether you're dealing with intense water pressures or exposure to the elements, these connectors are built to last.
Compatibility is key when it comes to pressure washer accessories. The McKillans kit covers all the bases, fitting seamlessly with most gas-powered pressure washers that use M2214mm hoses.
It's a perfect match for brands like Karcher, Generac, and more.
Ease of use?
Check.
Thanks to its quick connect design, swapping between different attachments is a breeze.
No more wrestling with threaded connections or dealing with leaks. Just plug in, snap on, and you're ready to tackle your next project. And here's a detail that sets McKillans apart: upgraded Viton O-rings. These little guys might seem small, but they play a big role.
They're designed to handle both high temperatures and chemical exposure, ensuring a tight seal and preventing leaks. So, why choose the McKillans Pressure Washer Quick Connect Kit?
It's simple: quality craftsmanship, unbeatable durability, and hassle-free operation. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time user, this kit delivers on every front.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews.
Until next time, happy cleaning!